The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Davidson County, Rowan County, until 7 a.m. At 6:31 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Salisbury or 7 miles of Lexington, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 50 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Salisbury, China Grove, Spencer, Lexington, Winston-Salem, and High Point. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 a.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Davidson and Rowan;